As print-on-demand sellers, there is a very small window to be one of the first ones to an emerging trend in order to maximize the amount of profit that you're going to make. While everybody else is focused on all the festivities and the holidays right now, as a print-on-demand seller, you should be focused on what trends you can jump on right now in order to have an amazing 2023 and make more sales and more profit. This is a part 2 of the trends that I know are going to sell in 2023. I've been doing a lot of research for you guys and have come up with some really good ideas that you can take and run with in the new year in order to maximize the profit that you could make in 2023. If you missed part 1 in this series, I'll link it here so that you can watch it after this. You definitely don't want to miss those. In this video, I'm sharing 8 trends that I know are going to be huge in 2023 so that you can get a jump on them to be able to make the most profit in your print-on-demand business. So keep watching because you don't want to miss any of them. I'm Hannah, and on this channel, I share about all things print-on-demand and making passive income. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love it if you'd subscribe down below for new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Now let's get on to those trends. The first trend that I know is going to do super well in 2023 might not come as a surprise to you, but that is all things colors. While in print-on-demand, the black and white t-shirts have pretty much reigned supreme for the last decade, this year we are going to see so many more colored t-shirts selling super well. And with color, I don't just mean your basic everyday colors. We are seeing some really out there style choices being made in things like lime green, baby blue, hot pink, electric orange, already selling super well at major retailers, and I know this is going to trickle into print on demand as well. If you've been playing it a little bit safe in print on demand and pretty much designing everything for a black t-shirt, this year I really think you should step outside of your comfort zone a little bit and start designing specifically for some really great and bright colors. One reason I do love this, especially on some place like Etsy or Merch by Amazon, is that about 80 to 90% of all of the items on those first pages of any niche listing are going to probably be on a black or a white t-shirt. So if you can create a really unique design in that niche on a different color t-shirt, that is immediately going to help you stand out. This is a strategy that I've used for years to be able to break into those really competitive niches. When they're all listed on black t-shirts, I will maybe create a design for a bright orange or a bright green t-shirt. That way, when someone is scrolling through all of those thumbnails of shirts, yours really stands out and pops off the page. So more than ever this year, try experimenting with those bright purples, pinks, greens, oranges, colors that you yourself might not really be comfortable wearing, but that a lot of these younger shoppers are really gravitating towards to wear. The next trend that is already starting to sell super well, but is going to do even better in 2023 is the baggy clothing trend. While in the past, people have more gravitated towards those women's fit, a slim fit t-shirt, in 2023, especially younger shoppers are really gravitating towards that big oversized look. If you're selling on Etsy, I would definitely start thinking about offering some other types of shirts that more fit that baggy, distressed look that a lot of shoppers are looking for. If you are using Printify, which is my favorite print provider if you're on Etsy, I would definitely be thinking about including some of those comfort colors. I definitely sell the most Gildan and Bella Canvas t-shirts, but this year I'm making a really concerted effort to sell a lot more of that baggy, distressed style, and comfort colors I think is going to be my go-to. If you aren't offering a lot of your designs on that baggy, distressed look, I would definitely take some of your best sellers and also offer them in a comfort colors or another baggy t-shirt style. I think that is going to do super well as we're seeing tons of people gravitate to that oversized look in their t-shirts. Even if you're just selling on Amazon, I've actually seen that a lot of my larger size t-shirts have been selling well, while those smalls and mediums are getting a little bit less percentage of purchases. So I think that even on some place like Amazon, people are opting to size up a couple sizes. If you're selling on a platform where you are making your own mock-up photos, I would definitely consider having one that's more of a standard fit, and then also showing a model with a little bit of a baggier fit, wearing a size or 2 up, because I think that's a look that a lot of people are really going to be looking for in 2023. The next trend that has started to do super well this December, and I know is going to do even better in 2023, is gothic glamour. That dark gothic look, but also with a little bit more of a girly girly edge or a little bit of a cuter, sweeter edge to it. Gen Z has been loving the show Wednesday Addams, and I think that style just captures a lot of this gothic glamour look that people are really wanting to buy. Consider designing some more gothic style shirts, and those do super well on a black t-shirt, a gray t-shirt, or even a pink with some black text on it. Think about ways that you can incorporate more gothic style designs into your t-shirts, sweatshirts, and other items. I really think that gothic items are going to sell super well in 2023. So take some of your best-selling niches and put a little bit of a gothic, darker twist on those. And I think those are going to be really great sellers all throughout this year. The next niche that I know is going to do super well in 2023 is classical art inspired designs. In 2022, some of the #1 destinations and searches people were making were all about art museums and art experiences. I think as things are starting to open up even more, people are looking to travel and have some of the experiences they missed out on in the past couple of years. And one of the big one of those is classical museums and art. People are really loving some of those finer things in life. Even younger generations are priding themselves on their knowledge about some of the classical arts and figures. So I think this is something you're really going to want to pay attention to. One of my best ideas and what I'm going to be doing in 2023 is taking a look at some of the public domain art and images that are really beautiful and incorporating those into a lot of my designs. For any images in the public domain, you are able to use those for any kind of commercial purposes you would like, including print on demand. So I would definitely be taking a look at some of your favorite classical art pieces, ones that would look really good printed on items, and thinking about incorporating those in some way into my print on demand products. I'm definitely going to be putting these on tote bags, on tumblers and mugs, and a lot of other print on demand products. I also found that just a lot more classical or Grecian styled items have started to sell well, and I think that style, even if it isn't a true historical art piece, could translate well into a print-on-demand t-shirt design. Take a look at that. People are really loving those romantic elements of classical art. I think that is something that is going to continue to sell in 2023 as people are really into those classical art and art experiences. The next niche and trend that I think is going to do super well in 2023 is preppy academia. In style, we've seen a lot of people shifting more towards that preppy look, and people are really loving that university letter style sweatshirts and t-shirts. While you got to be really careful about using actual universities' logos and images, I think a lot of people are looking for that academia university style look. So consider just taking some of the trends that sell super well for you and putting them in a university letter style font, or making it kind of look like a college sweatshirt or jacket. That style is going to continue to sell super well, especially with Gen Z. Another trend that really started to take off this year but is not going anywhere in 2023, and you definitely want to get a jump on this, is tie-dyed items. If you haven't already, I would definitely consider offering a lot of your print-on-demand and printed items on a tie-dyed shirt or sweatshirt in 2023. Tie-dye is already selling like crazy, and people are looking to add more tie-dyed items to their wardrobe this coming year, especially as summer and spring are going to start rolling around. I know people are going to be buying this even more, so you want to get a head start on designing some items on tie-dye style shirts. If you are selling on someplace like Etsy and you're using a print provider like Printify, there are a few different options that I love for tie-dyed shirts. One is the Comfort Colors tie-dye shirt, and then Gildan actually has their own version of a tie-dyed shirt. Those tie-dyed shirts are great because you can just take designs that are already selling well for yourself and put them on a tie-dyed sweatshirt or t-shirt. If you're not already offering them in your shop, I think that is something that you're going to want to do, because I know people are specifically looking for those tie-dyed shirts, and they're going to continue to sell super well next year. The next trend that is going to sell super well in 2023 has already started a little bit this year, and that is floral everything. In years past, we've seen trends emerge kind of like the botany style shirt, where there'll be a few different pictures of florals, but we are taking this to a whole new level in 2023 with floral florals everywhere. There are a few different ways that you can take this, but you really can't go wrong. One is to more lean into that groovy 70s styles cartoon floral and make really bright designs on bright colored shirts with a lot of florals. You can include text in these designs, but I've already seen just purely graphic floral designs selling super well. You can also think about incorporating more of a classical style flower, or even lean into that gothic glamour that I talked about earlier and do maybe something like skulls or something darker with a lot of those really pretty girly flowers. Floral designs are going to go crazy in this spring, but also just continue throughout the entire year as people are shifting more away from those simple designs and really wanting something that looks unique and stands out that they couldn't just go to Target and buy. Florals is definitely something that you want to venture into on your designs this coming year. And piggybacking right off that last one, the next trend that is going to go crazy in 2023 is maximalism design. Maximalism isn't necessarily a niche in itself, but it's a design style that I think is really going to take over. For about 10 years, we've seen simple selling really well, just basic text designs selling the best in print on demand. But this year, I think it's all about more is more. You want brightly colored graphics, lots of flowers, lots of text and unique and interesting fonts. Just a lot of everything on one design. So while you might have really wanted to keep it super basic, I would definitely start trying to just add more and even play with using the keyword maximalism in a lot of your designs too. I'm really leaning into all the bright colors, so this is something that could work well with a combination of some of the different trends that I shared. You could even create a baggy tie-dye shirt in a bright green or purple that had a really maximalist design with some text and floral graphics. We're definitely shifting away from the black, white, gray aesthetic that's very simple and clean and moving towards more of those Y2K styles, those really groovy 70s designs, and just a lot more of everything on the clothes that a lot of those younger generations are going to be wearing. Look up some maximalist design inspiration and see how you can incorporate that into your 2023 catalog of products. As you are working on creating your new products that are going to sell super well for you in 2023, you might have noticed that a lot of the sites that you're selling on or are thinking about selling on have updated a lot of their prices and increased their cost to you because of inflation and a lot of other factors. If you're worried about losing a lot of profit in your business or not even sure where to start on pricing your item for the new year, you're definitely going to want to take a look at this video so that you know what changes you need to make in order to continue to make profit in your business and keep up with everyone else. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.